spoke about injustice in the world, and you painted a very bleak picture of what's happening in the world right now. Given that
some say I gave a very bleak and pessimistic picture. Some say which was very thought-provoking and inspiring.
It is extremely inspiring. But my question is, given that there is a lot of injustice in the world, where do we start to try and turn it round?
From us, from yourself. This is why I said, are you ready to give testimony against yourself? Right? Witness against yourself? No. So when you start from yourself, you see the truth, you see the justice. Right? Right.
Individuals.
Then individual from the lowest level from your house, then from your area, then your town, your constituency, your country, then the world at large.